Good morning, my Web3 crypto lovers, enthusiasts, traders, and everything in between. So happy to be back today. It's been a crazy weekend. I did not do any videos for 4 days, and I felt like something was missing from my life. Although I did do a live stream, and if you don't know, I am currently doing a live stream with Crypto Deb. Deb and I are coming live every Tuesday at 2 p.m. Eastern. Oh gosh, 2 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Eastern, every Tuesday. So we will be live streaming again tomorrow, which we're really loving the lives. It's fun for us to cover topics together, kind of interact with you guys on the X platform. So would love to see you there tomorrow. But today I wanted to jump back on here and chat with you all. Looking at crypto over the last 24 hours, we are looking down. We have Bitcoins trading at 37.5. We have ETH at 2,050. We have Ripple 61 cents. Solana's trading at 55. So it looks like things are, although they're down in the last 24 hours, we're kind of exactly where we were last week. So it's not really that big of a deal, right? So I'm pretty happy with the way things are looking. Markets seeming really stable. And all signs, I feel like, are all still pointing towards a Santa rally. So lots of opportunities, and with the opportunities that are coming, people are going to be looking at accumulating more. Although we should always be looking at accumulating during the bear market. I understand there's people that are super skittish. I was also one of them. I did some accumulating, but definitely not as much as I could have. I ended up spending money on other things like fun travel and vacations and things that were not crypto. So those of us who are trying to play catch up now, I have just some advice in what I'm looking to do, because for me, it's like, okay, I want to find something with a low entry point. Ripple would have been a great one, right? But that one's already had a pretty good runaway. So we're looking at 61 cents for that right now. Same with Solana. Solana, not that long ago, was under 20 bucks. Now we're sitting at 55. So could have made 30 bucks per soul. You know, I honestly think we're going above 250, probably, you know, I don't know. We're going to go high. So, but there are other things that have not run yet that also have good entry points. And something that Deb and I had talked about on our last live stream was HBAR versus Dogecoin, because HBAR and Dogecoin both trade within about the same range. So both of them are both very good plays, in my opinion, but very different types of tokens. HBAR is a full ecosystem with NFTs, marketplace, you name it. It is not going anywhere. It is a great token to invest in. But then you have Dogecoin, which Dogecoin started as a meme. They ended up working on it, creating it as a layer 2 for Ethereum, which is now deployed. So you can actually use it as an Ethereum rollup now. I actually got into the Discord back when Elon was getting heavily involved with Dogecoin. Part of the reason I love Dogecoin was because I got into that Discord and I learned enough about that token that I really had a high level of confidence in it, because I saw what the developers were doing. They were speaking all kinds of code language that went way over my head. I even tried to run a Doge miner on my computer at one point and failed to run a daemon. I'm not even sure if I'm saying that right. Anyway, when it comes to crypto mining, I totally need help, and I think I am getting a little bit of help from someone in the community now, so I'm super thankful for that. So yeah, with the crypto plays, you've got time to do a little bit of research. We're still in a bit of an accumulation pre-bear market, so take a look at those coins, find out what you have conviction in. If you don't already know, start patting those bags and lining for the moon, because we're going to be headed there. Now let's talk about NFTs, because NFTs, I feel like we hit bottom on there already. So some of them are at bottom and won't recover until we are in the thick of the bull. That is because they are collections that have mostly been abandoned. They're only going to pump for whatever reason. If you hold one of those, chances are people are just waiting on the sidelines for the next pump to exit because they know. And what that means is that it's going to be the new people coming into the market. So if you're new to the market, this message is for you. Don't be exit liquidity. Do not buy these dead collections. If you are thinking about getting into NFTs, start doing research now. Look at them now. There are a ton of collections for really great artists, really great developers that would be great for you to hold in your collection, that it's going to make you money down the road if that's what you're into. If you're like me and you're just in it for the art, you're going to love it no matter what. It's fun to have them. It's fun to do things with them. I've had a lot of utility with my NFTs, and I'm not going to lie, the utility is one of my favorite things. The utility keeps me entertained all the time. So that's why I love NFTs. So if you're looking at getting into NFTs, now is a great chance. There are Jack Butcher collections. You can get in on Yuga Labs really low. I mean, there are several blue chips that you can get in that are fairly low entry price. So if you're looking to get into NFTs, there's never been a better time, and we're definitely still in the accumulation stage for that. So would love to cover more on NFTs in the future. So we'll hopefully be giving you some more in-depth on particular collections. Hope y'all have a great day.